Man, you should have kicked that on the post, bro. Come on, Kingston. Nice shot. Post up, King. Come on. I'm scared of him, man. Keep slapping your thing, man. Good block, Sammy. Let's go. Oh yeah, that was a 3-1. Yeah. That was good.
Watch out, Sanchez. Watch out now. There you go. Watch out.
Let's go, baby. Let's go, Russ. Nice shot. Oh my God. Wow, 16 up there, back up. Pass and cut. All right, oh my God. Này mất quá đi cũng ngồi xuống này đi qua cái ngồi ngồi cái cần go Louis, there you go, get it boy, play your game King, come on, don't be scared of the paint. Ooh.
There you go, let's go.
Do that again, King.
One more, straight up.
Score 27-13. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. Man, I'm trying to capture the game, man. Nice shot, Kingston. Oh, good spin. Pop it, June. Pop it, June. Oh, my God. Pop it again, June. Correct that. Oh. Good rebound, Andre. Rebound, boy. Yeah, way to save yourself, Cam. Go, guys. Come on. Get that board. Out of bounds.
Yeah, I would feel that.
Board, board, board.
They playing. Yes, we is.
Good pass.
I know. If somebody, obviously, if they know they're worth more than your people,
It's all right, it's all right.
they're gonna go and get the money. Ooh.
All day, Sam.
Ooh. I sure would.
Want to get that back, Sam? Want to get that back?
Definitely. That's
Get
all
your
we
cut.
want. Ain't nobody worried about the money. We want the pay.
Dunk that shit, Andre.
The word for word.
Hey, that gets tough, man. Andre was... Good shot, Andre. Give us one more. Give us one more.
Yeah, Andre.
Nice shot, Andre. What are you trying to do there, bro? Kinto, come to the paint. Go, back him up. Kinto, remain your pivot foot, bro. It's okay. It's okay. You did. It was on camera.
You said it's on camera.
You're telling them don't move his pivot foot. Kinto, you gotta get out the way when Cam's coming in, bro. Man. Okay, Arlo on the defense. Yeah. Good form.
All the time.
Sammy! Sammy! How you been, man? Arlo down there, baby! Arlo!
Was it good? And it was only one.
Oh, nice, Sammy! Arlo! Pop it, Cam! Gut looking.
His body was trying to play whatever he was coming down with. Was that on Friday?
Nice shot, Cam. Oh, damn. I gave it to you. Nice shot, little man. Hey, what team are you guys rooting for?
I mean, that shot was clean.
Yeah, it was.
I'd be airballing.
King, you gotta get out the way when they're coming in, man. Dang. Again. Arlo! Arlo! All day, baby!
Did you see that?
Come on!
Anybody else?
That was all him too, huh? Come on, let's go. Oh, okay. Thank you very much. Cameron! Cameron! He's smiling. Man. Doing your thing, boy. shot, big man.
I heard that. How much time is left?
Go, Luria. 1 minute.
Oh,